Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day, my daughter came home in the evening an hour later than we'd agreed. She's 16 and obviously she goes out quite a lot, but we'd agreed that she'd be home by 10 and she didn't turn up till 11. I started giving her a bit of a telling off, but in the middle of this she turned to me and said, "Hey, you can talk. Granny told me that once when you were my age you promised to be home at 11 and you didn't come back till 4, and she was beside herself with worry." Fair point, and guilty as charged. If you say that someone is beside themselves with an emotion like worry, you basically mean they're experiencing that emotion so strongly that it makes them almost lose control of their life. So you might be beside yourself with grief after someone really close to you has died. Maybe before you have your first child, if you're pregnant or if your partner's pregnant. You might be beside yourself with anxiety, constantly stressing and worrying and feeling anxious about what's going to happen. You might be beside yourself with anger or beside yourself with rage if someone's really wound you up. Maybe when you're driving, someone cuts in front of you. Maybe when you're having a bit of a conflict at work or with your kids' school or whatever. You have that feeling of, your blood boiling. And maybe you might be beside yourself with excitement before a big trip or before a big sports event or something like that. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "I was beside myself with" rage, anger, excitement, joy, worry,